It's like a hero, always there to save the day. Just like this case right here, stopping the stroller with a baby in it. Another day, another person to help. Pushing from the back to help this man carry his stuff. Drop something? No worries, our guy is there to pick it up. You're going to love this one. Went all the way back to the neighborhood to grab a stool for the lady doing laundry by the river. Isn't this the sweetest thing ever? From laundry to tire changing, everybody needs a little bit of help. And when the tire goes out of control, the dog is there to take it back. A little extra security when taking money from the ATM. Look who's thirsty and can open a bottle of water itself. It's a rainy day and the dog seems to be worried about someone. Grabbing an umbrella to take it to that special person. A little shield for him too, and onto the fields. So caring. We love dogs.